Hey guys, we have here our Dodge Hornet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to override the gear selector in case your vehicle is stuck in the park position, for example. So there is a way to move it out of gear when the vehicle is turned off. So normally you can't push on the button and you cannot move the lever. So the case is the vehicle is turned off right now. And so for safety reasons, first we're going to engage the parking brake. And then as well, we're also going to press on the brake pedal. And then we're going to pull here on the boot material of the gear selector. So just pull it up until the bottom part comes up. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift up, pull on the boot here on the front as well. And then the whole entire bezel should be popping off. And then we can remove this here very easy. And then we're going to take a look at the lower right side. So by the passenger side, you see here this little red tab there. That's actually a lever. And we can push this down. So we can push it with our finger, and it's really stiff and difficult to push down. So I'm going to use here a little bit longer key. And we can just push on that. And when we push it all the way down, then we can move the gear selector out of park and move it anywhere we like. Just as soon as we push it back into park, then it's going to be locked again. So again here, you see how it's freely movable. And of course we can just at this point also put the bezel back on if we wanted to. So just remember, as soon as you put the gear selector back in park, it's going to lock into position again. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.